Hi, I'm so excited to practice the letter O with you today. So, we are going to learn what the letter O looks like and the sound that it can represent. So here's an uppercase O. You've probably seen it before. It just looks like a circle. The circle is not fully even, but it looks very similar to a circle shape or the number 0. When we make a lowercase o, we just do it a little bit smaller. So it's just quite a little bit shorter than the uppercase O, but pretty much the same shape. This one is a perfect circle. So that one is pretty clear, and I bet you've seen it before. So is this an O? No, this isn't an O because look, the curve doesn't complete. This is a lowercase c. They're similar because they both have the curve, but this is not an O. Is this an O? It is. It's just that full circle. Is this an O? No. Did this trick you or did you get it? So similar. It's really tough. This is a lowercase a. It looks a lot like an O, but it has that little line at the end. It's so tricky. But when we really pay attention to the lines and the curves, that helps. So to make an O with our bodies, here's one way we could do it. What this kid is doing is scrunching down really small and then using her arms, look, from the top to the bottom to make an O. That's pretty cool. Can you do that with your body? The sound that O makes, the short sound it represents, is not connected to the way the letter sounds. Vowels are pretty tricky that way. The sound that O represents, the short vowel sound, is ah. So when I'm doing it with my mouth and I'm looking at this picture, I see my mouth has to get really big, kind of make the shape of the letter O. Do you see that? Like a big circle shape. And then I push sound from the back of my throat. Ah, ah, ah. Try it with me. Ah. Oh, I have to use my stomach muscles sometimes to make that sound. Do you? Ah. O can represent the sound ah. So here are some words that start with the ah sound, the letter O. Do you know this animal? This is an octopus. We have an ox. Ooh, this is a good one. So we have something that's tall and short. There's a word for this when they're different. Do you know what they are? That is called opposites. Opposite starts with ah. Then we have this animal. Do you know this one? This is called an ostrich. All of these start with ah. This is an uppercase O and a lowercase o. We have to think the sound ah. Our card looks like this and sounds like this. O, octopus, ah. O, octopus, ah. You try. O, octopus, ah. The letter O, the short sound that we're going to think about when we see this written on the page, is ah, like octopus. Here's how we make it with sign language. It's quite similar to what the letter looks like, right? The uppercase and lowercase, just like making a circle with our hand. So it's like a fist bump. I like to start there because that's helpful. Then just open it up so there's a hole inside, and then it's an O. This is the letter O in sign language. So now you know the letter O. You know it makes the sound ah when it's the short sound. So when we see it, we can know it represents that sound ah sometimes. And we'll keep working soon. I am so proud of you. Keep growing that brain. See you soon.